Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2020 fifth wheel Arctic Fox 29 5T. This is an elite product. It's built in La Grande, Oregon, so the walls are thicker. It got all the underbelly, heated underbelly for freezing times, what have you. Really solid built, real wood in there, no particle boards. It got the auto level also, power awning, all the LED lights, really genuine leather in there on the furniture. Let's go inside and show you a couple more. All right, now we're inside this fifth wheel Arctic Fox. Solid tops, really nice craftsmanship here in the wood and the cabinets. You got a 4-door fridge, the 2-door up there for the freezer, and then you got your 2 big doors for the fridge. You got a fireplace also, which is nice. It comes in handy. Some people say, oh, waste of space, but I don't think so, because this thing, you heat up your coach and you turn that on. It's electric, so it keeps you warm all day long. It does have a solar panel. You can see that panel up there. A fan, fantastic fan. A really nice dinette. Those chairs, for small, big people, you can, adjust. 2 recliners in the back. Those are really nice. I like that look of this leather. Again, it's a tall room here. When you go into the bedroom, it's a walk-around bed, big, huge closet. Bathroom is separate from the shower, which is give you more privacy. Maybe somebody wants to use the bathroom while somebody's taking a shower, which is pretty cool. Really built to really stand all weathers, and of course got the badging. Convection oven, of course the microwave oven with a 3-burner stove. You got another oven down there for what have you, pizza, what have you, all that good stuff. It does have lots of cabinets in the back. As you can see, the rear view, that's very nice view, big window in the back. So let's go outside and show you more. Okay folks, now we're outside. We're looking at this Arctic Fox 29 5T. It got the fiberglass, and they got the fiberglass cap on it. If you come around and you see the basement, I call it a basement because it's so big. I mean, it fits, you name it. LED lights, of course, the awning, power awning. It got the solid steps. I love that idea. That's a good idea to have those solid steps. No more bouncy. You go around the back of the coach, you'll see like a little hitch there for, bike rack, what have you. And then there is a ladder. That means, you can go up there. It's a walk-on roof. I don't recommend you walking on the roof, but it's there just in case you want to check for debris. As you come around, there is the outside shower, the power stabilizer. It got auto level, so push a button, there you go. It sets up for you really nicely. There is a lot to talk about this coach. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.